tears come out of my eyes. It's pretty impressive.
This thing got an attitude problem, though.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHighCarAudio, and others. Can I come in?
I was wondering when you was gonna get in it. Yeah.
It's broke. Oh.
It is.
Is this yours?
No, it's James Bell's.
Okay. Do you know what's in here?
It's FI 4.12 Neo 18s on 2 Salt Plus.
Are they 11.11s or 12s?
4.12.
12.
They're one-offs. They're the X instead of
Okay. Very nice. What's the box tuned to, you know?
I don't know that.
I wonder what that is. The port removal piece.
That's for the fuel pump.
Oh! That's a good idea to think about that.
Yeah.
Good fab work to fit these subcode areas of this car.
Oh, this is a JacobViral.
Okay.
And the doors were John True.
Okay. They look really good. I looked at it earlier. Wow. Yeah. It's crazy. Look at this. To fit the code area.
Yeah.
Man, that's awesome. Is the amp in the back open? Can I check that out?
Hey, how do you open the trunk? How do you open the trunk?
Man.
How you doing?
I'll get the key out.
Can I get? There we go. That's enough to see it.
Yeah. Pull the seat forward.
Seat forward.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. He needs a key. Should have given him a light. Wow. That's a monster. Man. It's amazing that you were able to fit 18s in that. You did a good job. What is this amp wired to? 0.5? Okay. All the lithium's hidden in a beauty panel.
Where did you keep
Okay.
this one? I took the wrong key.
Nice. Wow. So who built this? You did a good job. That's awesome, man. You did awesome. And you actually built into the vehicle right here? That's part of the cubes?
That's the
Nice job, man. I wish I could show me. Hey, you can show me.
I want to put together.
Yeah, yeah. Can I see right here? Can I open this?
Yeah.
I just wanted to see how close you built
I
it in.
haven't finished this yet.
And you can see how much you fab worked into it. Wow. That's how you fit 418s. Woo. Good job. Thank you for showing me, man. Wow, that's awesome. Yeah.
It surprised a lot of people.
It's just a good job.
VIP bottles all on my table. My niggas with me, we sippin' up. I got that chicks in the
As I look around, they don't do it like my click, 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 click.
To love them, I wanna fuck out with that.
Yeah, that's a demo monster. Flashing everything. Maybe like tears come out of my eyes. It's pretty impressive.
This thing got an attitude problem, don't it?
Did a really good job with the build. Wow, nice. Man.